What's up, guys? Today we'll be doing a just food draft. Okay, this is just a draft that I was making not too long ago. We'll start off a new one right now. Okay, so as you can see here, we have Team of the Week 11, those cards and those cards. I'm gonna go over here. Okay, let's do the drafty. We're gonna do a Premier League draft, and so I'm gonna start off with that guy's highest rated, and he's a legend. He's 91 rated. I'll go with Diego Costa. Martial, he's pretty good. I'll go with Salah. So is Aguero. Bakayoko. Bakayoko. I hate those cards. Anyway, I'm gonna go through Rudiger. Bale. Mustafi. And that guy. Forum. Lindelof. I don't like it. Christian Eriksen. Woo! Can fit in there, that's not a problem. Okay. These are all I could get right now. Ooh. Let's just get these done. Harry Kane! Subs. Eden Hazard! I'll put in Rooney for him, and I'll just put him over there. Ooh, Morata! Perfect. I needed him. So I think I'm gonna go with Zaza. So the last video I watched of him, they say he's the best penalty taker, but he's not. He missed. Money. Okay, that's all I could do now. Simulate the draft. Top players was Hazard, the legend that I got earlier in the first player for my captain. And I think it was Bale. But let's start off. Red Bull. New York. First. Oh, what a goal. What a goal. Bale, both on the same team. Oh, Guero, that's why I put him in. Because I know I can always count on him. Oh, Bakayoko saved me. Oh, Guero, that's why I said put him in. Let's do this. The reason I have that badge is because I don't have a lot of money. That's why I said put in Morata, because he always scores for me in the late minutes of the game. Former teammates. Ball. Hard for me. At least I got these packies. Ooh. Lanzini, not a bad pack. With Sane's brother. Don't know why I said that. Mona Bigfoot. I love Bigfoot. Oh, Badgie. Lick a Badgie. Oh no. No. I hate those heads. Okay, let's get on to my next pack. Liverpool. Oh, Henderson. Again? I hate that. I'm just gonna open one pack for you guys. One little pack. I just have to watch these ads because what I could do. I could do that. Oh, I like this. We get to the back right after this. Oh, look what I got. Oh, what? Don't tell me. Adora Vidal! Can you believe it? Oh. Let's take a breather. Adora Vidal 88. And he is a very powerful card, I must say. Oops, sorry for that. Ooh. I'm gonna open one more pack for you guys. I'm just gonna pause it. Okay, I'm back. Open this pack. Open that pack. Person Oh, Verratti! Batshuayi! And that other guy. I do not know. Okay, guys, that is the end of my video. Hope you subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below. See ya.